Unit 4.3. Slope-intercept form. Remember what I said about reading the name of something? This is the formula to tell us where the slope, the line, intercepts. It's slope-intercept form. It's going to tell us where the line crosses the y-axis. Slope-intercept form, right? And slope-intercept form is y is equal to the m times the x plus the b. Y equals mx plus b. Hopefully you've heard the term, the formula. M, as we just learned, is the slope. It's the steepness, the positive, the negative, the zero, the undefined. It's the slope. B is where it intercepts the y-axis. So it is the y-intercept. Think about football. Quarterback throws it. The receiver is standing there waiting for it. Someone from the opposing team jumps up and intercepts the ball. Interception. It's where it intersects with the y-axis. So it's called the y-intercept. Given the slope and y-intercept of the line, write the equation in slope-intercept form. So it wants you to take the given information. Your slope is your m. Your y-intercept is your b. And it wants you to put in y equals mx plus b form. All you have to do is input the information. Your m is 2, so it's going to be y equals 2x. And your y-intercept, your b, is -1. That's literally all you have to do. Take the information, plug it into the formula. Your m is -3/5 x, don't forget your x, and your y-intercept is +4. Looking at these two equations, I can already tell you something. Because our m, our slope, is +2, I can tell you that it's a positive slope. It's going uphill. Because our m is -3/5, it's a negative slope. That means it's going downhill. I can tell that just by looking at the equation. And because this is the y-intercept, I can tell you that it's going to cross the y-axis at -1, and this one's going to cross the y-axis at +4, just from looking at the equation. That's why it's called slope-intercept form. All right, slope is -3, so y equals -3. Don't forget your x. Y-intercept is +2. That's it. All right, I did 1, 2, 3. You do 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6. What if they give it to you in a graph? Identify the slope and y-intercept of the line on the graph, then write the equation in slope-intercept form. Now that we know how to find the slope and we know what a y-intercept is, we can look at a graph, find those two pieces of information, and use them to write the equation. Right? I'll show you what I mean. Let's do the even ones. Means you're going to do the odd ones. All right, so first it tells you what to do. It says identify the slope. So first we're going to find our m. Slope is rise over run. 2 points. Any 2 points where there's a four-way intersection. You can use the points they give you or any 2 points where there's a 4-way intersection, right? So our slope, we had to go down 1, 2, 3, down 3, and right 1, 2. So our slope is -3/2. And our y-intercept is the place where it crosses the y-axis. It crosses the y-axis right here. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. +7. So your b is +7. If you know your slope and your y-intercept, all you have to do is plug it into the equation. Y equals -3/2x plus 7. That is the equation for that line. That's all you got to do. All right, again. All right. Find the slope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my m is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/5, which is 1. Simplify. Remember to simplify the slope. And my y-intercept, it intercepts right here, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. So my b is -6. So my equation is y equals mx plus b. And the 1 can be invisible. The 1 as a coefficient can be invisible. So you could put y equals x minus 6. And it would still be right. Either of those is right. All right, our m is 1, 2, 3, 4 up. 1, 2, 3 to the right. And our b is the origin. So our b is 0. Again, there's 2 ways you can write this. You could put y equals 4/3x plus 0, which is what the information tells us. Or because adding 0 changes nothing, you could put y equals 4/3x. You don't have to put the plus 0. Again, it's invisible. Either of those is right. Our m is down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 5, and right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our b is +1 because we had to go up 1 on the y-axis. It intercepts at +1 on the y-axis. So our equation is y equals -5/6x plus 1. It's a linear equation. It has to have a y and an x. Otherwise, it's not a linear equation. Don't forget the x, is what I'm saying. All right. 16. Our m, I had to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Down 10. Right 2. Simplified is -5. That's steep. You're going downhill very, very fast. Just saying. And your b, it intersects the y-axis right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. +8. So your equation is y equals negative 5x plus 8. Helpful? Not helpful? We're going to find out, because you have to do 9, right? No, wait. 7. I think I did the previous, yeah, you did some of those. You got to do 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and then when you're ready, come get your mastery check.